Meaning of excitement.
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 Excitement. Excitement refers to a state of being emotionally aroused or stimulated. It is characterized by feelings of joy, anticipation, and heightened energy levels. Exciting experiences can vary widely, from a thrilling roller coaster ride to the excitement of receiving good news. The result of excitement is often increased heart rate, breathing, and physical activity as the body responds to the surge of adrenaline that accompanies this state. Excitement can be positive or negative, having both potential benefits and risks depending on the context in which it occurs.